Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Microsoft account that manages screen time. This is crucial because changes must come from the family organizer. Once signed in, open Settings, then Accounts, and choose Family and Other Users so you can see linked child accounts. Make sure you select the child profile that shows screen time limits. Don't skip verification prompts. They confirm you have permission to edit controls. This gets you straight into the controls, where you can remove restrictions. Next, click the child profile and choose Manage Family Settings Online. The Windows app links to the Microsoft Family Safety web portal for full controls. Once there, find Screen Time and either toggle off the entire schedule or disable per device limits. Pick whatever removes the restriction. After switching off limits, apply or save and then sign out. Make sure to sync or restart the child's PC so the new settings propagate. Without sync, the device may still enforce the old rules. To finish, decide if you want temporary or permanent removal. Remove the child account from your Microsoft Family group to permanently remove screen time controls, or convert the child's Windows account to a local administrator to bypass limits locally. Once done, sign the child into the device and verify no limits remain. If problems persist, check for multiple family organizers, cached group policies, or device-level MDM profiles. Clearing cache, rebooting, or removing conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.